Welcome. Let's look at how we can provide answer to this question, WASSCE 2024 September edition. The diagonals of a rhombus are 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. We have to find the perimeter of a rhombus. So here we need to know what a rhombus is and some features or properties of a rhombus. So let's start by making a sketch of the rhombus. So if you have a rhombus, all the sides are equal. So this is presumed to have all the sides being equal. Then if the diagonals intersect at a right angle. If you draw a diagonal, they will intersect each other at a right angle. So here is 90, 90, 90. So if this one being the shortest one is given as 12, if it intersects, they divide into two equal parts. So here become 6, here will become what? 6. Here will give you 8 and 8 if you are dealing with this as what? 16. We said rhombus has all the sides equal. So here could be y, y, y. It is the y we want to add to find the perimeter. So let's pick, let's say we have A, B, C, D. We can say that from triangle, let's pick here, okay, the top to be D, the center to be O, C. Triangle DOC, which is going to give you something in this form, 8, 6, and what? Y. So that you can find the value of y using Pythagoras theorem. And that will mean that the longest side, y squared, equals to the square of two other sides, the sum of the square of the two other shorter sides. So this means that y equals to the root of 36 in the case of this, plus 64 in the case of that. So y become the root of 100, which will give us what? 10. But all these dimensions are in centimeter. So we can have 10 centimeter. What is the perimeter? The perimeter is just what? The addition of all the sides. Meaning y, 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 and y. Which will be translated to 4 of the y. Meaning y plus y plus y plus y become 4. There are 4 sides. So this also means that 4 times y, which is 10 centimeter, will give us 40 centimeters. So we are looking for the option D as the best option to replace this. And I'm sure you followed through from the beginning. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Share with somebody who also would like to benefit from this. Subscribe if you are new.